Today on Glory and Beauty, I'm going to show you how to make the solid granny square. To get started with round 1, we're going to make a magic ring. To make a magic ring, take your yarn and wrap it around your pointer finger and your middle finger 3 times. You'll then take your hook and insert it under all 3 of those wraps, pulling that 3rd wrap under the first 2. Turn your hand and wrap the tail around your hook and pull through the loop that is already on your hook. You'll release your fingers and chain 5. This chain 5 counts as 1 double crochet and 2 chains. You'll then yarn over and place 4 double crochet into your magic ring. These 4 double crochet make up 1 cluster for this first round. So here I have 4 double crochet, a chain 2, and 1 double crochet on the other side. I'm going to chain 2. You'll do 4 double crochet and chain 2 more times. And then you'll place 3 double crochet in the magic ring. This 3 double crochet will become a 4 double crochet cluster as soon as we close our ring and slip stitch and connect it to the first double crochet that we made. So here we have our 3 4 double crochet clusters and our 1 3 double crochet. Let's close our ring. Tug the yarn. You'll notice only 1 loop goes down. Pull the left side of that inner loop to get the other loop to go down, and then we'll pull our yarn, the tail that is, to get that loop to go down as well. Pull it tight until it disappears completely. We need to connect this 3 double crochet cluster to that first double crochet so it looks like the others. So insert your hook into the top of that 3rd chain of the first double crochet you made and slip stitch to join. Slip stitch into the space and then yarn over and bind off. And that is the end of round 1. Now we're going to do round 2. Pull up a loop in any color and in any corner you would like. I'm going to use pink. And then you'll chain 5. This chain 5 counts as 1 double crochet and 2 chains, just like it did in round 1. You'll then place 2 double crochet in that same space. Now we're going to double crochet in each stitch across this side. That's going to be 4 double crochet. Sometimes you got to pull your cluster back to see that first stitch. In the next corner, we're going to place 2 double crochet, then we'll chain 2 and 2 double crochet again. Each corner will have 2 double crochet, a chain 2, and 2 double crochet. We're going to repeat this with the next 3 sides. You'll double crochet in each stitch across. For round 2, that's going to be 4 double crochets along each side. And then each corner, we'll do 2 double crochet, a chain 2, and 2 double crochet. You'll do this until you arrive at the beginning of your round. Then we'll place 1 double crochet in that first corner and then slip stitch to join it to the top of the 3rd chain of the first double crochet that we made. Remember that chain 5? That's where this first double crochet came from. And then we'll slip stitch into the next chain space, yarn over, and bind off to complete round 2. Let's do round 3. I'm going to do it in this bright yellow color. The corners will still be done the same way. However, going across now, we've got more stitches. Instead of doing 4 stitches across, we are doing 8. And as you can imagine, as the square grows and the more rounds you do, there will be more to do along the sides. The corners, however, will remain the same. Pull up a loop in any corner and chain 5. Remember, this chain 5 counts as 1 double crochet and 2 chains. And then place 2 double crochet in that same space. Now we're going to double crochet in each stitch across our side. Sometimes you got to pull that cluster back to see that first stitch. You should have 8 going across. When you arrive at your next corner, again, we're going to do 2 double crochet, chain 2, and 2 double crochet. You'll do this for every corner on every round. The only thing that's changing as you do each round is the number of double crochets that you're going to put along each side. When you get to the beginning, place 1 double crochet in the same space as the first double crochet, and then slip stitch so you can join those 2 together. And there it is, the solid granny square. The solid granny square gives that geometrical look that modernists and minimalists adore, yet still has the traditional crochet square look to it, making it the perfect stitch pattern for a myriad of projects and suitable for a variety of aesthetic taste and preferences. Until next time, let's keep on making things for glory and for beauty.